Ek my braas maar 4 keer skoon gemaak. En al die tools, tot alles oploop op 'n plek, alles skoon en hey, put that shit away.
I'm about to.
Thank you.
It's exactly what I'm doing. It's just in there.
Yes, maar fiets ek lekker man.
Van die jigsaw.
Yeah.
Ja.
Lekker.
Ek was iets op die kry. Maar sy nou lees sy weer voor, wat my probleem is.
What? Because you look at me and start laughing.
The jigsaw.
No.
What are you looking for?
That.
There it is.
Oh, nou maar al my glasses doen.
See, if you look at the side,
But I've got them.
You can upgrade it.
Still got all my goggles.
Good. You can upgrade it.
This is next. We're just waiting for the ferry. Which
And you
is
said
in
it's
the
got how
country.
many Ks on?
14,000.
Oh, no.
Yeah, but not, we're not going to see it. Actually, really, something to show you now.
I saw the wheel. This is all I could see.
Okay.
But we put this on.
Yes. It's the wrong way around.
Let's turn it
There we
around.
go. There it is. Yes.
So it's
What do you want?
Oh,
It's our YouTube
I
fans.
fucking know number 4.
YouTube fans, by the way.
Oh, wonderful.
We can share stories with that stranger. Something comes out of everything. Something comes out of everything.
So
Something
we had our second friend coming to visit. Our first one is
Heel gepompt.
me.
Nee, dat is niet zo gelijk.
Okay, great.
Maar zo is het zo erg.
Ja, maar ik heb nog maar gelost.
Die zou ik niet krijgen.
Nee, Chantal.
Rob.
Rob, maar
Hallo Rob.
Hi.
Lekker.
Willem. Yes. Hi.
I'm Willem, he's here.
Yes.
That's what they
Okay.
do.
And then you can say, how's it to all our YouTube fans? It's our YouTube homie.
Ding ding.
Yeah, guys.
So these shocks that show us a good ball, at room standard, and you will see that white cover that really stumped us. But we did eventually figure it out, and we had to move that white casing out of the way and use a makeshift tool so that we could actually get the shock fully apart. But I will say, yeah, we're pretty stuck trying to figure out how to disassemble the shocks. But we did eventually manage, and all three of us learned a lot that day.
Yeah, I remember the R1's shocks as well. I stick with my R shocks. Oh, you was fault is later sitting after that. The original plastics was going to break. Wat wil je doen? Zie je bij de maat also? Ja. En die doos komt van de shelf.
Oké. Weet je wat? Nee. Als je daai ding kan aftrek en dan druk jy iets daarin, so 'n U-shape wat hom sal afhou. Ja. Dit kan werk, maar dan moet jy daai ding of sny of bou of iets. Dan moet ek doen.
Als je dat draai wit ding af, dan krijg je genoeg spatie om daar te draaien.
You understand what I'm saying here? If you had a U and you could pull that white thing down and then slot it in there, then it holds the white thing down. You see this white thing will come quite far down. Okay, then. It's in your Honda. Oh, it's that way. And if you listen it from the bottom, you have to open up.
There's nothing to listen.
Seriously?
Like hours. Like hours.
What do you want?
Salad.
No! Stop doing that!
Right, you're famous.
Hello, you see the nut?
Oh, see.
You see the nut?
Hang on, wait, let me open my goggles.
Must I put some extra light on there for you?
Yes, please, because I don't see the
Okay,
nuts.
that's the nut.
Where is it?
There's the nut right there, you can't miss it.
Okay.
Okay.
You say so. line up. Okay. And then it's got to take over. Okay. And then it's got to stay inside. Okay. Good luck, bro. Yes. Good luck, bro. And that's the area. Need a hand, but see what I'm waiting for. Yes,
All day.
I'm getting tired. Hurry up.
No. There's nothing in my shit like I said. It's inside, right?
No, it wasn't me. I thought it was. Yeah, and I took responsibility for it, but it wasn't me. Is this the new one?
Ik wil niet breek.
Eerst uit al.
Ja. En dan insit as jy klaar ingeskryf het.
Dat is goed.
Okay.
Right, so we gaan zo om. En dan gooi hem bij. Oké.
Hy gaan nie in nie, want jy
We gaan niet daar maken. Kom.
Kijk voor. Trying to get my shaft in there, okay?
Then I got the shocks put back together, range, adding the fork oil. It's just about 500 mils per shock. We're almost there.
Yes? Who? When? From the north? Or from the woods, rand? Hey, I can do it back now. Hey, Willem! Willem! Can I bring you your tampons? Because you got to sit with the chicks. Ja, says you.
Just checking it now.
Good.
Ready?
Yeah. Kijk, please. Watch the landmine.
How's it?
Stretching arms. We need one of those things called a selfie stick or whatever. Yeah.
We too old for selfie sticks, huh?
Oh, yeah, but we can try and be even happening at this age. But
At our age, we just make a rod to hold the phone.
yeah, like you've been doing.
Yes.
100%. From all old tools, we'll make this. We'll make a tool selfie stick. Anyway, guys, that brings us to the end of the Z800 shock repair.
What a
Was-
mission and a half, eh?
Yes, it was meant to be 2 hours, and I think it ended up being 5 hours.
Yeah.
It was an experience for all of us. Thanks to Rob also joining us. It was cool.
Yeah.
He learned a lot. We learned a lot.
And he had a bit of brains as well between the three of us.
Yeah. Don't say that out loud. But hopefully you guys also learned a bit from it, and we will catch you on the next one.
Cool. Be safe.
Keep the rub on the road. Cheers.